1 minute skate park guide, Truganina basketball skate park, Truganina. This is the weirdest skate park I think I've ever been to. Well, one of them anyway. It's in the shape of a basketball court, and well, it's got the design of a basketball, an actual basketball, but it's got a basketball hoop, and it's kind of on the sides of it. It's got little ramps, no coping, just like banks, and then it's got this big rail. Also, it's got ledges which are turned into like an amphitheatre, but you can't really grind them because the concrete's too rough. And it's got these just bumps and things. It's got the fake grass which you can't really skate on with small wheels because you just stop. Yeah, it's not the greatest of skate parks, but if you want to do stuff, you can always find fun stuff to do. I give this skate park 1.5 VBs out of the 6-pack.